What does TIP Academy offer professionals in the industry to upskill their knowledge and ability to deploy Open RAN at scale?
The Open RAN adoption operator needs to address the challenges. There are certain things that need to be ready for mainly scaling the industry and also to address the multi-vendor composition of the ecosystem. So TIP Academy is addressing these challenges, and we have designed the content specifically to help operators to know what they need to do when they face these problems. So for the moment, we're starting with the basic content. We explain about the Open RAN architecture, which is can be different from traditional RAN, specifically related to interoperability between network functions and open interfaces. We explain the complex of the multi-vendor solution and how this should be managed by operators and system integrators, and also aspect relating security. That is quite important since there are more parties in the game. Security is an important concern. And then when this is explained and we move into a more low level, a more detail and addressing a wider audience, we develop or we teach how to develop a business case, how to make the Open RAN business case positive in terms of network architecture and considering all the costs related to, for example, transmission costs, which are very relevant in a centralized architecture. And we deep dive into system integration and how to handle what kind of testing is needed in the lab, how to design the testing activities, maybe using a centralized lab, maybe using vendor's lab, or maybe with a new model that we are pitching to the industry, which is a distributed lab. So it's a complex activity, a complex framework, but we are learning and we are able to provide recommendations, and that's what we are putting into the content and in order to help operators and other parties to adopt the Open RAN.